the drainage did not get to this point.
Stopping before the culvert.
Why is the road stopping?
Move.
You know, hold on, you know what I tell people? What I tell people, don't be a cause to yourself. Don't be a cause to yourself. And what I've always told people too, don't bring politics in the development of a place. If you bring politics, you will suffer it. Right? None of you put pressure on us to say we must dualize this road. But we thought, with your leaders who felt, look, if we don't dualize this road now tomorrow, nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. If you have problems, channel your problems appropriately. Yeah, this is our coach, not the emergency. You beat him, but don't come and begin to use your young boys to stop the road. You your young girls to stop the road. Then that will make me to come by force. So why not? You don't know that as we are coming, we are saying, look at Ahoada, dualized road. They will put street light. Do you know what that will mean for your community? Development. Do you know the impact? Who belong to the other party? You didn't get this road, though. Did you get this road?
No.
Then we will have come now to open you for you to be a city. You want to send your community backward, you will not walk. It will not work. So support us to do what we are doing. Whatever remedial work we can do, we'll go and do it. Oh, cho.
Sir, we are happy to welcome you to Ula-Ehuda community. I am Monday, Prince Will Evergreen, the CDC chairman. Sir, we are grateful that you brought this project to our community. Not just our community, to Ahoada East. For long, we have envisaged that this project, this road will be dualized, will be constructed. It was until you came that dream was realized. And for that, the community and the entire people of Epe are eternally grateful to you.